All right, welcome YouTubers. The 2020 Malibu has just arrived. And what does it need today? A purge valve. We're gonna do a purge valve. On this 2020 Malibu, this is the 1.5 liter motor, turbocharged. The purge valve sits right under here. And that is, I'm gonna see if I can get a video of it under there. Okay, I am going to go under here with a light to just kind of show the location of the purge valve here. This is how it sits under there on a rubber grommet. The rubber grommet kind of over that metal stem, whatever you call it. So it doesn't have any screws or anything. It just secures with sliding that over it. It has one connection on the driver's side, and it has these two connections on the passenger side. One of them is an electrical connection, this line that goes up to this canister. And that is what we're going to remove and put a new one on.
First, we're going to remove this line on the driver's side. We're going to remove that little green tab there. Then we're going to remove the green tab on the passenger side. First, use this mini pry bar or a small screwdriver to remove this green tab from the driver's side connection. To remove the line from the driver's side, you're going to want to take your index finger and your middle finger of your left hand, assuming you're right-handed, and then squeeze gently on either side while simultaneously taking a mini pry bar and gently lifting up on the tab. Now that you have loosened the green tab, just wiggle, keep wiggling until this line comes off. Just like that. You see that? Next, on the passenger side, you're going to want to loosen the green locking tab. It is a 4-pronged locking tab, and there we go. Now it is loose. Now I am going to wiggle this loose, just like that. Next, grab the purge valve and wiggle it off of the metal stem, which is held by a rubber grommet. You're going to wiggle, 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 and you're going to get it off like this, and you're going to very gently and very carefully move the line up and through just like this, because you're preparing yourself for the next step, which is to remove electrical connection right there. Take your pick tool and pull up on this red tab, just like this. Next, take your thumb, press in this tab. While you're pressing in on this tab, you're simultaneously going to need to grab a hold of the connector and gently wiggle it and pull it off just like this. Now, we're able to remove the entire unit. It doesn't matter which one you do first, but I'm opting to do the driver's side. I'm gently pressing in with my thumb and index finger these two green tabs here, which are going to enable me to gently pull the green clip, not all the way out, but just enough to enable you to gently wiggle the line off of the purge valve. Now that you've removed the driver's side green clip, you're going to want to remove the passenger side red clip. It's a little different and a little more tricky. As you can see, there are 4 tabs here, so you're going to have to use your fingers to gently press all 4 tabs simultaneously, and that should enable you to take this red clip off. You're going to want to do so by gently wiggling this off. Remember, wiggle, 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 and there you go. Make sure that your brand new purge valve comes with a rubber grommet. This right here is your rubber grommet. As I push in on it, you can see it's made of rubber as opposed to this hard plastic. If for any reason your new purge valve does not come with a rubber grommet like mine did, I was lucky. Sometimes these won't come with a rubber grommet. You can remove the rubber grommet from your old purge valve and insert it into your new purge valve if necessary. Next, you're going to want to take all three fasten parts, driver's side line, passenger side line, and your purge valve, and you're going to want to gently maneuver the driver's side line down and through and up the proverbial rabbit hole until you can attach the driver's side line onto this nipple, and you might need to wiggle it on there. Keep pressing until it's completely on, but you're not done yet. You're going to want to gently press on this green clip and lock it into place, just like this. Did you hear that snapping sound? Next, connect the passenger side line with your green clip to the nipple of this canister, just like this. Push it in completely, but remember, you've still got to press the green clip in. Did you hear that nice click? I think after further review and experimentation, it would have been easier to put the purge valve onto the metal stem first before attaching the passenger side line to the nipple. Next, take your electrical connector and push it into the tab, just like that. Then you're going to take your red connector and push that in, just like I did there. And folks, you have just put on a purge valve onto your 2020 Malibu. Congratulations.